Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. We all know during the Christmas season, that's when all the warm and snuggly quilts come out. It's just that time of year where we spend time with family and friends doing the things we love, watching movies, maybe playing board games. Well, we love having quilts focused just on patchwork. And this new design is called Christmas in the Mountains because that's what we live here in Idaho. There are beautiful mountains all the way around, and we get to spend the holidays here in this amazing state of Idaho. So when we sat down with this beautiful fabric collection from Kim Deal, and this is called Baubles Balsam, we just knew it was the perfect time for a patchwork quilt. This is a reserve, and customers love that. If that's a new word to you, what that means is today, all you need to do is make a $10 deposit, and that's going toward the cost of this kit. And this is the perfect backing from the same collection, just a $5 deposit. My favorite thing about reserves is you don't have to think about it again. Now we're the ones that are getting busy. We've heard your instruction. We're setting aside a kit and probably even a backing just for you. That way, when all the fabric comes in, we are very busy cutting, folding, organizing, and preparing your kit. We have your name on that ready to go. We bill you for the difference and head that your way. How nice is that? So already we have eyes toward the next Christmas season. It's in our heart all year long. And as makers, we're sewing toward that goal all year long. These are the rulers on set that we use to put this quilt together. I'll call out the ones that I know really brought us a unique opportunity for our makers to put the blocks together quickly and accurately, and that's really right here at the Ultimate Flying Geese. The genesis of the name Christmas in the Mountains is, this is my little mountain right here, okay? There's mountains all over Idaho, and I just thought the colors were very Christmassy, and we kind of have our mountain peaks. These Flying Geese blocks are made so easily with the Ultimate Flying Geese tool. I've already done a video on that if you want to check that out, but I don't make Flying Geese blocks any other way. That is my absolute go-to. So if there was only one of these tools that you chose today, be sure to pick the Ultimate Flying Geese tool. These are other rulers here for precise piecing. When we do mark our parts of our Flying Geese unit, when we make them, we sometimes like to use our seam guide. And then of course with block assembly, right, when we start sewing all this together, that's precise patchwork. Make sure you have a fresh blade in your rotary cutter, a new needle and that sewing machine, some good patchwork pins, and if you're like me, where I like to have an aid of a 1/4 inch seam allowance, be sure to pick up your seam guides as well, and good thread. We used Aurifil, kind of the gray on this one. But as with every reserve we've ever released, and it is truer now than ever before, companies are many times making these fabrics just once, and that is certainly true here. So we've had to make a guess at how many kits, and as we're seeing now with people discovering, more and more people discovering Shabby, we're finding these kits are selling out sometimes within just days. So without delay, before you do anything else, we get distracted by so many things vying for our attention. Head to the Shabby Fabrics website to make your $10 deposit toward your kit, $5 toward the backing. If you haven't already picked up the Ultimate Flying Geese tool, be sure to do that, maybe the seam guide, and any other notions you might need.